Today, I'm going to show you how to download all of your expenses from Expensify. This is a great way to keep track of your expenses and to see how much you're spending each month. Step 1. Log into Expensify. First, you'll need to log into Expensify. Once you're logged in, click on the Reports tab. Step 2. Select the date range. Next, you'll need to select the date range that you want to download your expenses for. You can select a specific date range, or you can select all time. Step 3. Click on the Export button. Once you've selected the date range, click on the Export button. This will open a new window. Step 4. Select the file format. In the new window, you'll need to select the file format that you want to download your expenses in. You can choose between CSV, Excel, or PDF. Step 5. Click on the Export button again. Once you've selected the file format, click on the Export button again. This will download your expenses to your computer. Step 6. Open the file. Additional tips. You can also export your expenses to QuickBooks or other accounting software. You can use the Filters tab to filter your expenses by category, date, or amount. You can use the Notes tab to add notes to your expenses. Once your expenses have downloaded, you can open the file in Excel or another spreadsheet program. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to download all of your expenses from Expensify. This is a great way to keep track of your expenses and to see how much you're spending each month. Thanks for watching.